One of the challenges that I face with my lower back issues is in the mornings when I first get going and sitting in a chair and I get up, my back starts bothering me. I get this really achy back. I want to share with you something if you're dealing with the same thing that can offer you relief. I get on my Teeter Inversion table. It's been a while since I did a video on the Teeter Inversion table, and I love it. I have a ton of videos, and the model I have here has this extended arm. But what's so awesome about the Teeter Inversion table, which I'll go back here in a minute, it helps decompress the spine, offers that relief. Our bodies need time to adjust in the morning. Sometimes, getting on a chair and sitting there for a little while, it can just provide this horrible pain, really achy pain. And so you get on here, you just go back and you just stretch, just let your arms lay, and it really just feels so great. Now I'm using the strap on my inversion table here, and it doesn't make any difference if you use it or not. You get the same benefits from it. It feels so good. So you stretch, and then they have a model here where you can take the arms and push on the arms, so you're stretching the back even more. And then when you're done, you just put your arms there to the side and you come up. Now, if anybody's concerned about feeling dizzy or nausea, because I know when I first did and used the inversion table many, many years ago, it took a little time to adjust. So you can adjust the strap so you're not going back as much till you get more comfortable. But once you get used to using an inversion table, you're not gonna have any problems at all. It's a great investment. This is extremely well made. Check it out today. I'll put a link in the comment section as well as the description so you could check out the different models. It is fantastic, and it will offer you the relief that you are looking for, especially when getting up in the morning and dealing with an achy back. Have a healthy day. We'll see you on the next one.